In today's video, I'll show you how to easily create a brand name using a cool tool named Namelix. Naming your brand can be tricky because it defines the identity and the idea of your business. But don't worry, I've got a simple process to help you generate unique and creative names. Let's dive in. First, open any browser and head over to namelix.com. This is where the magic happens. So once you're there, we can start by entering keywords that define our brand. Enter keywords that relate to your brand. Think about business values, target market, or style. For example, if you want something cool, sporty, and fun, type those words in. Then click Generate to get started. You'll see a list of different name styles to choose from, like compound words, like FedEx or Microsoft, alternate spelling, or real words. Choose the style that best fits your brand. If you're not sure, select All to get a wide range of options. Compound words often feel modern and techy, while alternative spelling can make your brand memorable. Pick a style that resonates with your brand identity. Now let's move on to randomness. If you want more direct and to the point name ideas, set it to low randomness. But if you're looking for creative or unexpected options, go for high randomness. On this page you can also add a short business description if you want the AI to generate names based on more specific information about your brand. This helps the tool generate a name that fits your exact niche. Now hit generate, in just a few seconds, Namelix will show you a bunch of brand name options. Once you see the list, browse through the names and select one that resonates with your brand. Don't rush the selection process, your brand name is important. Take your time to find one that fits your business's personality. After you've picked a name, you can also make adjustments. Namelix offers different font, icon, and layout ideas. You can customize it until it feels right for your brand. Once you finalized your name, you can also purchase different logo packages. You'll have options like basic package for just the logo in PNG format, or the designer package, which includes business cards, social media graphics, and more. Consider investing in an enterprise package if you want multiple original logo concepts designed by professionals. This is ideal if you're launching a high-end brand. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.